Is 24-25 Prizm Hobby, one box, pick your team 46. Thank you guys for the fill. Got a few more breaks we're gonna have to work towards. I'll give it a little bit of time, obviously. Nothing overly close. We got Origins releasing tomorrow, guys. So that's gonna be a fun little sweat for us as well. Good luck. Pulsar of Sexton. Strauss and Salon on the silver. Connect. Basketballs of Dursic. Ooh. I told you this case had to have some nice stuff, William. Silver True Rookie Auto of Edie for Spice Chicks. Portis Silver. Strother. Ooh, Boozeless. For the Bulls and my brother Ryan's Coffee Company. Wells. Red Power. Lots of red. These last few boxes gotta be hot. Derek Jones. I'm assuming it's gotta be hot. Edie. Boozeless. Kuminga Anderson, first half. Grading for the Edie, you got it, Spice. Guys, there's 2 more boxes to this case, guys. I do recommend you attack it. I think we might have like another gold. We might have some mojos there like that. True Red, Peyton Watson, DiVincenzo Silver, Ant-Man, Bronny, Adim Bona, base autograph Sixers, Iguodaro Hyper, And our last stack. Got a snake skin. Nice. Beautiful. Dalton Connect from our man Lou 913-8792. Cam Thomas Pulsar. I swear I hit his Pulsar like all the time. Thunder. Oh, I thought that was going to be a Shea. Still a nice J-Dub snake skin for the Thunder. CTP, my brother. Go, CTP. True Blue of Dead Yet. Marvin, $1.99. Very nice box again. 2 nice boxes back to back. About time. Jamal Murray on the basketballs. Really good box. Real nice box, guys. Alright, we got some work to do to fill some of the other breaks, guys. So we'll get to filling those right away. Spice Chicks, thank you very much for the push, brother. I appreciate you, man. Glad we could connect a little bit before your vacation, if you catch my drift. Really nice box. Connect, Puzelis, Snakeskin. Edie going to grading. That was the break on 46, guys. 47 is in the store already, guys. 48 kills the case. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.